Unit 6, Lesson 3b. Whenever we talk about trig functions within the unit circle, we're going to talk about theta relating to the degrees of the central angle, and t relating to the radians or arc length. If I look at 30 degrees, and we talk about the cosine value, the cosine of my reference angle of 30 degrees is going to be the adjacent side over the hypotenuse, which is going to be root 3 over 2. The sine is going to be the opposite over the hypotenuse, which is 1/2 over 1. And the tangent is going to be the y value over the x value, which is going to correspond to 1/2 divided by root 3 over 2. Now, if you notice, I somewhat skipped a step here. When I'm talking about the tangent as being y over x, tangent is actually O over A. But my opposite side will always be my y value, and my tangent will always include the opposite side over the adjacent, y over x. Think about the ordered pair. Root 3 over 2, 1/2. This is the opposite, this is the adjacent. That's where I'm getting the ratio of y over x. In my 45s, the cosine is going to be root 2 over 2. Root 2 over 2 is going to be my sine. And my tangent is going to be root 2 over 2 divided by root 2 over 2, which simplifies down to 1. In my pi over 3 or 60 degree angle triangles, my cosine value is going to be 1/2. Sine is root 3 over 2. Tangent is going to be root 3 over 2 divided by 1/2, or just root 3. When I go to try example 1 in the you try section, I'm going to ask you what is the reference angle. So I'm going to plot 7 pi over 6. The reference angle here then is going to be pi over 6. It's located in quadrant 3. So the sine, which translates to the y value, is going to be negative 1/2. The tangent of 390 degrees is going to relate back to 1 full revolution, 360, plus another 30 degrees, which puts me here. My reference triangle then, angle, is going to be 30 degrees. The quadrant is 1. And tangent now is going to be referred to as the y over the x value. So my y value is going to be 1/2. My x value is root 3 over 2. Cancel the 2's. That's going to give me 1 over root 3, or root 3 over 3. I'm able to cancel the 2's alternately, because if I multiply by the reciprocal, the 2's will cancel, which then leads me back to here.